We're back at Seaside Collective. As you can see, we have a roof and it starts to look like a house now. So come in and have a look. So here we are at the entrance area. As you can see, the wooden roof structure is completely assembled. And also the roof is installed. And the roof is made from a local grass called alang-alang. And this is really a typical Lombok roofing material. It's very good for insulation and also for keeping the heat out. So if you're inside, it's actually really cool. So this is the living room. Right here I'm sitting on top of the loft space. The ceiling here is really high, so it's actually almost a double story. So I could easily stand here, put a desk, put a bed, put a TV. So this is really a multifunctional area. Below me will be the kitchen island. Then we have a dining table over here and a sofa setup over there. So it's actually a very big and usable space. So this is a nice detail to point out. The roof is tied with many different layers to these rafters with these little knots basically. So you layer these layers of grass super thick and super tight, and you get a waterproof and long-lasting roof. It actually takes 5,000 locally handmade bricks to build all these different pavilions. So we have an outdoor dining area in the back, a social sunken sofa area over here where you can put a barbecue, a swimming pool that's also completely cladded in these red bricks. It even goes over the top right here, so it really looks like this whole area is crafted out of one piece. And now we're also in the finishing stages of the entrance pavilion. So we poured the whole structure in one go, and the goal with this was to make the floors as strong as possible. So we just have to sand these floors to get a really smooth surface and put a sealer on it, and it's finished. So from this point where I'm standing, you can see quite well the border between the plots. So our strategy is not to have solid walls, but very nicely landscaped green walls. So it will basically be a very dense landscape, and both of the houses will look into a big green wall here. And then in the back, we have made a natural creek. So when the rainy season is there, you can actually hear the water running from inside the house. So we are moving ahead with the construction. And if you would like to join us in Seaside Collective, please head over to the website and you can find all the details there.